Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the pricing and plans offered by Omnisend, one of the leading e-commerce marketing platforms. If you've been considering Omnisend for your business but want to know which plan is the best fit for you, you're in the right place. We're going to break down everything you need to know. So let's get started. Before we jump into the specifics of the pricing, let's do a quick overview of what Omnisend offers. Omnisend is an all-in-one marketing platform designed specifically for e-commerce businesses. It allows you to create and manage email campaigns, SMS marketing, automation workflows, and more, all in one place. The platform is known for its ease of use, powerful features, and seamless integration with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. Now, let's talk about the pricing. Omnisend offers three main pricing tiers: the free plan, the standard plan, and the pro plan. Each plan is tailored to different business needs, so let's break them down one by one. First up is the free plan. This is a great option for small businesses or those just getting started with email marketing. The free plan includes essential features like email campaigns, sign-up forms, and basic automation workflows. You can send up to 500 emails per month to up to 250 contacts. While the features are somewhat limited compared to the paid plans, the free plan gives you a solid foundation to start building your marketing strategy without any financial commitment. Next is the standard plan, which is Omnisend's most popular option. Priced at $16 per month, the standard plan is perfect for growing businesses. It includes everything in the free plan, plus more advanced features like SMS marketing, more robust automation workflows, and up to 6,000 emails per month to an unlimited number of contacts. This plan also includes A/B testing and audience segmentation, which are essential for optimizing your campaigns and driving better results. Finally, there's the Pro plan, designed for businesses that need the full range of Omnisend's capabilities. Starting at $59 per month, the Pro plan includes all the features of the standard plan, plus advanced reporting, priority support, and unlimited emails. This plan is ideal for larger businesses or those with a high volume of marketing activities. The Pro plan also offers more sophisticated tools for data analysis and customer segmentation, which can be a game changer for businesses looking to take their marketing to the next level. In addition to these core plans, Omnisend also offers several add-ons and extras. For example, you can purchase additional SMS credits if you plan on sending a large volume of text messages. Omnisend's pricing is flexible, allowing you to customize your plan based on your specific needs. This way, you only pay for what you actually use. So, which Omnisend plan is right for you? It really depends on your business size, your marketing goals, and your budget. If you're just starting out, the free plan is a great way to test the waters. For growing businesses that need more features and higher email limits, the standard plan offers the best value. And if you're a larger business with complex marketing needs, the Pro plan will give you everything you need to succeed. That wraps up our breakdown of Omnisend's pricing and plans. We hope this video helped you understand which option is the best fit for your business. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. And if you're ready to give Omnisend a try, be sure to check out the link in the description for more details and special offers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.